Assalamualaikum to everyone. Today we want to present about the Industrial Engineering Code Bmip 3424. Okay, next. Okay, this is our group. The first one is Muhammad Raziuddin bin Hajar Nasruddin. Second, Muhammad Alif Akmal bin Azman. And me is Muhammad Latif Hidayat bin Anwar. So we go to the what is industrial engineering. Okay, industrial engineering is about improving system and process to they become more efficient and productive. It is uses engineering concept, math and scientific method to study how people, machine and material works together. Different from other engineering field that focus on the specific product or machine, i.e. focus on improving the whole system by reducing time, cost and waste while increasing overall performance. Make point and simple. So we go to the next slide. The next slide we present about the industrial engineering vs other engineering field. Okay. Industrial engineering focus on the whole system, including people, processes, and machines. Its main goal is to improve efficiency while reducing cost and waste. For example, by optimizing workflow and reducing waiting time. For civil engineering, they focus on structure and infrastructure, and the goal is to ensure safety and durability, such as building roads, bridge, and building. The next, we go to the mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering deal with machine and mechanical system. Its aim to improve performance and movement. For example, in engines, robots, and HVAC system. Okay, next we go to electrical engineering. Electrical engineering focus on electrical and electronic system. Its goal is to control power and signal, such as in circuit, power system, and electronic. Okay, the last one we go to the chemical engineering. Chemical engineering focus on the chemical process. Its aim to convert raw material into useful product. For example, in oil refining, food processing, and pharmaceutical.
Welcome and hi, I'm Muhammad Raziuddin. Today, I want to explain why industrial engineering is a true engineering discipline. First, it uses core engineering principles such as mathematics, science, and data analysis, just like other engineering fields. Second, it follows a structured problem-solving process, starting from identifying the problem, analyzing it, designing solution, testing, and then improving. In addition, industrial engineering focuses on the entire system, not just machines, including people, processes, and workflows. Excuse me. It also uses technical tools such as optimization, statistics, and simulations. Finally, the results are measurable, such as reducing costs, saving time, minimizing waste, and increasing productivity. And it is widely applied in real-world environments like factories, hospitals, and banks. Next, this slide shows an example of industrial engineering applied in a banking system. The main problem is frequent ATM downtime and maintenance issues. To solve this, several methods are used, including preventive maintenance planning, data analysis to predict machine failures, and optimizing technician scheduling. As a result, ATM downtime is reduced, repair time becomes faster, and the banking service becomes more reliable.
Okay, next case study 2 for non-engineering sector. We have hospital systems. The problems that we can find is poor staff scheduling and resource wastage. the industrial engineering method that we can do to solve our problem is we can optimize staff scheduling by gives doctor and nurse work in shift. Other than that, we can improve resource allocation such as beds and equipment. Then we also can use data analysis for demand planning. Okay, the result that we can get after we use our IE method is we can get better staff utilization, we can reduce idle time, and last but not least, we can improve patient service quality. Okay, next for case study 3, we have government operation. The problem that we found is slow service. Example given, when we do passport or when we have a JPJ appointment. Okay, the IE methods that we can do to improve the service is we can process mapping to find the bottlenecks. Other than that, we also can improve workflow steps. Lastly, we can make everything as a online system. Okay, for the result, what we can get from the IE method that we use is we can get a faster processing time, less congestion, and lastly, improve public service. So, by doing the IE method, we can solve the slow service problem at the government operations. Okay, for the conclusion, industrial engineering is a real engineering field because it applies scientific and mathematical methods to solve complex problems in a structured way. It focuses on improving efficiency and system performance in a practical and measurable way. Overall, it plays an important role in many industries by making systems more effective and well organized. That's all from us. Thank you.